And that's what I really, like when I listen to people that fear this, it's like, that's where I want you to see this, is that it's not a do or die situation. And he always said, like when you think of something that's bad, you ask yourself, to what extent is it really bad? Because we put the metric on that, right? Like that whole experience, it's how we perceive it. We put the whole story and the package and everything together, but how bad is it really?
And you're talking a lot about external versus internal
Right,
validation. What do we value about ourselves? And empowering yourself means knowing yourself,
right,
knowing your risk tolerance, knowing that I know I'm going to make mistakes.